We're going to focus on the second question here. And this one asks to write the equation of a circle with the center 0 and the radius of 8. So one of the things we need to remember is the standard equation of a circle, which is usually written as x squared plus y squared is equal to, and r stands for the radius squared. Technically, if you get into transformations, stretches, and compressions, there's more to this. This equation can technically be written as something like x plus, let's call it c over a squared plus x plus d over b squared equals r squared. And what those do is they have transformations along with stretches and compressions. But we've noticed that it is going to be a circle. So if it is going to be a circle, we're not going to actually have any stretches or compressions. And the c and the d, they have to do with the center of the radius. And in this case, the circle is going to be at 0, so those values are going to be 0. So we're actually going to be working with a very simple version of the equation. X squared plus y squared equals r2 squared. In this case, the radius is 8. So because the radius is 8, we can just plug it in for the value of r. So we end up with x squared plus y squared is equal to 8 squared. And we simplify. X squared plus y squared is equal to 64. And we can confirm this on a graphing program here. If we were going to make the equation of a circle, plus y squared is equal to r squared, okay? We'll give a slider to r, and right now r is the value of 1, but as I move it up to, let's say, 3 would be a good value because we can easily find a value of it. You'll notice that r is 3 in this case, but remember that's r squared. So if I was to make an equivalent value to that in a simplified form, I would write is equal to 9. And you'll see that actually overlaps. So in our case, what we had is we had the value of 8. So the radius happened to be 8 in this case. And if we write in 64, we end up with the equivalent equation in our question.